Ziva. Bad. You are a bad girl. Because this, and this is after I swept it in a pile. This is after I swept the kitchen. What did you do? You know darn well you're guilty. You did it. Bad dog. Bad dog. No wagging your tail. No. No wag. No. No. You're a bad girl. I haven't got to clean this part up yet. Yeah, see? All the way down the hall. And there's your culprits. Right there. You did it. You know you did it. You're bad. Bad. You're bad. And so are you. You know you did it too. You're too guilty. What are you doing? Do not slink away from me. You're guilty as the day is long, aren't you? Look at you. Guilty. I'm ashamed. Did you do it? Is that your guilty sign? Do you need to go to jail? Do you want to go to jail?